Okay, today I will be showing you how to do the clone effect in the Davinci Resolve. Okay, first you need your click. You just go on YouTube and you can find it. You just search these three colors, and you like that, then you can just find it like this. You go back to the Davinci Resolve, you go to media and the music, and you go on there. Like this, move, done. Then I'm going to put my clip and my background. So I'm going to use this background. Then I'm going to use this one. Now I'm only going to portrait this right here. I'm just going to cut it to the beats. It's easier if you don't have to do that. So maybe back like that. And you can even change the background. You want to go to Open Fusion, Delta Create, Open Plus Delta Create, and then take this eyedrop and press it to the beat. And then you can click. I'm just going to do in effect. Make this where the finale. Now I'm going to mark the beat. Yeah. I'm just going to make a copy to all, and then just go to the first one. Okay. So I'm just gonna go like this. Then you want to find one of the keyframe. Go analysis. Go to the run. Now let's go to the second key to make that. Okay. So I'm just gonna have another keyframe. 1 plus second, mark it, and very good back to the top. You finish it. And then I want to add another one, like goes here. And this one's going to go to the left. So I'm just going to make another piece here. Go anywhere like this, just go to the left. Again, you can make a bit serious if you better use selection to situation. Now, to make the over effect or the glow effect, you just want to go to Open Fusion, into space, and set your soft glow. And add it. Like that, then you will just make it bigger or smaller your choice if you add it. Then add edge technique. You have the source here, and go to twisters, and add the source here. You can just get the beginning of every time. You will also like color correct it to make it a bit more better. If it's your preference, that's video. And just tell them what it is. I'm just gonna keep it. You want to do that for both of them. So I'm just gonna okay. Done. Done, like that. That's about it.